just sitting here. No markings left, paint flaking away, canopy all fogged over. Looks like it hasn't moved in decades. Amazing it even got here. Nature slowly taking it back, moss on the wings, vines.
Wow. She's really been out here a long time. Paint's almost gone, moss in the wings. Still beautiful though. Can't imagine how many hours someone sat here, staring out over the nose. She had her time. Quiet now, just the wind.
Winch is ready when you are. Oh, coming up slow.
She looks even smaller up close. Paint's almost gone, just flakes of red clinging to the metal. All that rust. Still beautiful though. Short wings, like they were clipped. Guess she was built for speed, not...
Look at that nose. Rust eating through the paint like tiny rivers. Years of sun and sand have worn it to this dull orange. The metal almost feels brittle. The canopy's a mosaic of cracks. And little circles, there we go. Dust comes right off once the spray hits it. This canopy's seen better days, but the view's worth the work. Get the corner. Good. Wings next, plenty of grime out here. Look at that paint, all faded and chipped, still beautiful though.
Look at that nose, paint's sun bleached almost pink. Rust is creeping along the seams, but it still looks ready to pounce. Canopy's all scratched up like it's seen a lot of sky. Rescue arrows barely hanging on. Short wings, tight little frame, built for speed for sure. Even grounded has this coiled end.
There it is again. Same crimson little jet riding piggyback like it owns the road. Yellow straps crisscrossed over its wings, humming in the wind. From here, it almost looks like it's ready to lift off if they just...
Horizon's clear, sunlight at 10 o'clock. She looks good, doesn't she? Copy that. Red one, your paint job's finally shining through. Took a bit of elbow grease, worth it though. Rolling left, coming around the ridge. Watch it. You've got a rainbow halo at your nose. Looks like a postcard. Then let's frame it.